Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video, we will take a close look at 10 fantastic new vehicles that won't break the bank. We are talking the top 10 new vehicles or cars you can get for under $20,000 in 2025. Whether you are a first-time buyer, a city commuter, or someone who loves a little extra cargo space, there is something here for everyone. We will be looking at their prices, performance, interior and exterior features, safety, and warranty details for each car. So sit back, relax, and join me on this ride. So let's kick things off with our very first car, 2025 Nissan Versa. Imagine a car that combines affordability, efficiency, and smart features, all in one neat package. The 2025 Nissan Versa does just that. Priced at around $17,500, it is perfect for anyone looking for a wallet-friendly ride without sacrificing style or reliability. Under the hood, the Versa is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 122 horsepower. You can choose between a CVT or manual transmission, and you can expect about 32 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. This means you get a fun driving experience along with great fuel efficiency. Inside, the Versa is designed to be user-friendly and comfortable. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, making it easy to connect your smartphone and use your favorite apps. The trunk is roomy enough for your daily needs, whether it's grocery shopping or a weekend getaway. Safety is also a priority here. The car features automatic emergency braking and lane departure warning, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Another plus is its warranty. Nissan offers a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. This extra protection makes the Versa a smart choice for budget-conscious buyers and city commuters who want a reliable car at an affordable price. Now that we've seen how the Nissan Versa balances performance, comfort, and safety, let's move on to a car that is known for its long-term reliability. 2025 Kia Rio. Next up is the 2025 Kia Rio, priced at around $18,000. This car is an excellent option for first-time buyers and those who want a vehicle that they can depend on for many years. The Kia Rio comes with a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 120 horsepower. It has a smooth CVT that works together with the engine to give you a fuel economy of approximately 33 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. Step inside the Kia Rio and you will notice the 8-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay. The interior is built with solid materials that feel durable and modern. The design is simple yet effective, ensuring that every drive is enjoyable and stress-free. Safety is a big deal in the Rio as well. With forward collision avoidance and lane keep assist, you are well protected on the road. The car's design and safety features work hand in hand to create a safe environment for you and your loved ones. Perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of the Kia Rio is its warranty. Kia stands behind its cars with an industry-best 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. This promise of long-term support makes the Rio a standout choice for buyers who want a reliable, long-lasting vehicle. As we move along, let's check out another car that is a favorite among daily commuters. 2025 Hyundai Accent. The Hyundai Accent is another gem in the under $20,000 category. With a price tag of about $18,500, this car offers simplicity, modern features, and excellent fuel efficiency. It is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that generates 120 horsepower. Just like its peers, it uses a CVT transmission to help you achieve around 32 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, the Accent boasts an 8-inch touchscreen that makes it easy to access your favorite apps and music. The cabin has a simple but modern design, and the materials feel solid and durable. This makes the Accent a great choice for daily commuters who appreciate a straightforward, efficient ride. Safety features in the Hyundai Accent include forward collision warning, anti-lock brakes, ABS, and stability control. These features are designed to help keep you safe on the road. Hyundai also backs up this vehicle with a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty and a remarkable 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This long warranty period is a sign of Hyundai's confidence in the Accent's reliability and quality. With the Accent, you have a car that is built for everyday driving, offering efficiency, modern comforts, and peace of mind. Now let's look at a car that is perfect for those who are looking for an extremely budget-friendly option. 2025 Mitsubishi Mirage. If you are looking for a car that is friendly on your wallet, the 2025 Mitsubishi Mirage might be the one for you. Priced at around $16,000, the Mirage is all about delivering great value without any frills you don't really need. It comes with a small but efficient 1.2-liter 3-cylinder engine that produces 78 horsepower. While it may not be the most powerful engine, it shines in fuel economy, offering about 36 miles per gallon in the city and 43 miles per gallon on the highway. The interior of the Mirage is small but practical. It offers basic tech features and a compact design that is easy to maneuver in city traffic. Despite its simplicity, the car comes with useful features like a touchscreen for accessing your media and basic connectivity options. Safety is also covered with forward collision mitigation and lane departure warning, making sure you have a helping hand on the road. Mitsubishi backs up the Mirage with a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. This long-term coverage is a testament to the vehicle's design and engineering. The Mirage is best for city drivers and those on an extreme budget. It is perfect if you need a reliable car for short commutes and daily errands where every dollar counts. Moving on, let's explore a car that offers a bit more style while still staying within the affordable range. 2025 Chevrolet Spark. The Chevrolet Spark is another great option to consider, especially if you live in a bustling urban area. With an estimated price of $18,500, this small hatchback brings modern style and technology to the table. The Spark is powered by a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 98 horsepower. It is available with either a CVT or manual transmission, delivering around 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside the Spark, you get a compact design that makes parking and navigating busy streets a breeze. The infotainment system is modern and user-friendly, featuring Apple CarPlay that allows you to stay connected while on the move. The design of the car emphasizes ease of use and practicality without compromising on style. Safety is a key feature in the Spark. It comes equipped with standard airbags, a system called StabiliTrak, and other basic safety technologies to help protect you on every drive. The warranty on this car includes a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, ensuring that you are well covered in case of any issues. The Chevrolet Spark is a fantastic choice for young drivers or urban commuters who want a stylish yet practical car that fits perfectly into a busy lifestyle. Next, we will explore a car that is making a comeback and offers strong reliability and resale value. 2025 Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris is expected to make a comeback in 2025, and it is one to watch. With a price of around $19,500, the Yaris carries Toyota's hallmark reputation for reliability and durability. Under the hood, it is equipped with a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that produces 106 horsepower. It comes with a CVT transmission, and drivers can expect about 32 miles per gallon in the city and 40 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside the Yaris, you will find a cabin that is both solid and comfortable. The touchscreen interface makes it easy to access features and stay connected, while the overall build of the car is designed to last. Toyota's commitment to quality is evident in every detail of the Yaris. Safety is a major focus for Toyota, and the Yaris comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense. This includes features like adaptive cruise control, which helps maintain a safe distance from the car in front of you. The Yaris is covered by a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. This combination of safety and warranty coverage makes the Yaris a great choice for long-term ownership and offers excellent resale value. If you are looking for a car that combines reliability with the latest safety features, the Toyota Yaris is a strong contender. Now, let's look at another fan favorite that has captured hearts in previous years. 2025 Honda Fit. The Honda Fit is a car that many drivers love for its clever use of space and versatility. With a price of about $19,900, the 2025 Honda Fit offers a little something extra for those who need a bit of flexibility. It is powered by a 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers 130 horsepower. Whether you choose the CVT or a manual transmission, you can enjoy a fuel economy of roughly 33 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. One of the standout features of the Honda Fit is its magic seat. This innovative seating design allows you to fold the rear seats in multiple ways, making it easy to switch between carrying passengers and loading cargo. The interior also features a touchscreen that is easy to use, and the overall quality of the cabin is high, ensuring that every drive feels comfortable and secure. Safety is not overlooked in the Fit. It comes with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes features such as lane departure warning. This suite of safety technologies works together to keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Additionally, the Fit is backed by a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. This makes it an excellent choice for small families or travelers who need a car that can adapt to different needs. With its flexible seating, strong performance, and excellent safety features, the Honda Fit is a car that offers a lot to its drivers. Let's now shift gears and check out a vehicle that is perfect for those who live in areas with rough weather conditions. 2025 Subaru Impreza. For drivers who need extra traction and stability, the 2025 Subaru Impreza is a fantastic option. Priced at just under $20,000 at around $19,995, the Impreza comes with a feature that sets it apart from many others in this price range: all-wheel drive AWD. This makes it ideal for areas with snowy winters or rough, uneven roads. Under the hood, the Impreza is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 152 horsepower. Its AWD system is designed to offer confidence on slippery roads while still delivering respectable fuel economy, approximately 28 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. This blend of power and efficiency makes the Impreza a great all-rounder. Inside, you'll find a modern touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay, along with a comfortable cabin that has been designed with both driver and passenger in mind. The added benefit of AWD ensures that no matter the weather or road conditions, you are well prepared for any challenge. Safety features such as the EyeSight Driver Assist and automatic emergency braking add another layer of protection, making every drive a safer one. The Subaru Impreza also comes with a solid warranty, a 3-year 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. For buyers who need a reliable vehicle that can handle winter and rough conditions, the Impreza is a strong contender. Next, we move into the world of small crossovers, where style meets practicality. 2025 Hyundai Venue. The 2025 Hyundai Venue is a compact crossover that brings the feel of an SUV into a budget-friendly package. With a price of around $19,800, this car is ideal for small SUV lovers on a budget. It is powered by a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 121 horsepower. The Venue uses a CVT transmission that helps it achieve about 30 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. Step into the Venue and you'll notice its small crossover feel. The cabin is designed with modern touches, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen that provides access to all your favorite apps and music. There is ample cargo space for everyday needs, which makes it a perfect fit for those who enjoy a little extra room for their gear, groceries, or sports equipment. Safety is a key feature in the Venue as well. It comes with Hyundai Smart Sense, which includes automatic braking among other safety technologies. This system is designed to help prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. Hyundai also offers a 5-year, 60,000-mile basic warranty along with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, giving you long-term peace of mind with your new car. The Hyundai Venue is perfect for those who want the style and utility of an SUV without the higher price tag. It blends practicality, modern features, and safety into one appealing package. Finally, let's wrap up our list with a car that combines versatility, power, and eco-friendly features. 2025 Ford Maverick. Rounding out our list is the 2025 Ford Maverick, a small truck that is designed for the modern DIYer and outdoor adventurer. Priced at about $19,995, the Maverick is a unique option in this lineup. It comes with a 2.5-liter hybrid engine that produces 191 horsepower, making it both powerful and efficient. The Maverick's front-wheel drive and hybrid powertrain allow it to achieve impressive fuel economy numbers of around 42 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, the Maverick is all about smart storage and practicality. It features an 8-inch screen that brings together the essential controls and connectivity features in one easy-to-use display. The cabin is designed with the everyday user in mind, offering plenty of storage options and a layout that makes it simple to load up tools, gear, or anything else you might need for your next adventure. Safety is also a top priority in Maverick. It is equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, a suite of advanced safety features that includes adaptive cruise control among other technologies. This helps you maintain a safe following distance and makes highway driving more relaxed. As with many cars on our list, the Ford Maverick comes with a 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, giving you confidence in your purchase for years to come. The Maverick is a great option if you are looking for a truck that is not only practical for work, but also fun for weekend getaways. It provides the versatility of a pickup with the efficiency of a hybrid engine, making it a standout in the under $20,000 segment. And there you have it, the top 10 new cars under $20,000 in 2025. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our video, 5 Smart Tips for Buying a Used Car on a Budget. For more helpful tips from us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates.